We all love blankets. We all love pillow. Especially in the cold winter season. Who doesn't like to cover in good fur blanket and tightly, you know, tight up and sleep? Especially in North India and say in Bangalore and all, now the winter season. This is the season of allergies, cough, cold, running nose, even up to breathing difficulties. Lot of patients come and say complaint about their children breathing difficulty. Suddenly they feel breathing difficulty. Then we keep asking them a lot of questions: how they live, what is their lifestyle, what kind of food they take, ahara and vihara. We keep interacting. As a result, one thing which we found out is the main culprit, the main cause of allergic rhinitis, allergic breathing difficulties are synthetic fabrics which we use in our bedroom. Say bed sheet, pillow, blanket, especially the blanket with this fur kind of blanket. After some months of usage, say 3 months, 4 months, lot of dust start dispersing from it. That enters to the respiratory tract and cause allergic reactions. Ayurveda says about nidana. For any health issue there will be a cause. Without cause no health issue will come. Either it will be in food, or it will be in our surroundings, or it will be the way in which we live, etc. So Ayurveda says that nimitta hetvayatana pratyayotthana karanaihi nidanamahuhu. There will be some cause for a health issue. Hetu vyadhi viparyastarthakarinam aushadhanna viharanam upayogam sukhavaham vidyad upashayam vyadhehe sahi satmyamiti smrutaha yatha dushtena doshena yatha chanu visarpata nivrittiramayastyasyav sampraptiriti agatihi. There are various stages of this allergic rhinitis. It doesn't start by a single day. When first is our immunity goes down because of various reasons. Maybe exercises are not done properly, or we don't get time to do exercises. Digestion comes down, our Agni comes down. This and all, in a overall a period of time of 1 year, 2 year, 3 years continued, then small sneezing will start, small cough will start. When it will start? When you enter to the bedroom in the night, or when you want to sleep, after from your office, when you go to home, that time this allergic rhinitis, allergic reactions will start. Otherwise it won't be there. Or if you stay somewhere else, then it won't be there. This is very specific. There are lot of rhinitis, lot of breathing difficulties issues are there. Here what we speak is about allergic rhinitis due to synthetic fabrics, synthetic bed materials, synthetic blankets. The main way to get rid of this is avoiding that, replacing this kind of synthetic material by new ones, or with cotton bedspreads, cotton blankets, cotton chadars, like that. We have found, our doctors are advising to many patients, and they immediately replace their synthetic fabrics with cotton materials, pure cotton materials. Immediately the result will come. That is one thing. So सर्वेषामेव रोगाणां निदानं कुपितामलाः तत् प्रकोपस्य तु प्रोक्तं विविधाहितसेवनम्. Mala is getting kupita, that is imbalance of our vata pitta and kapha. In this mainly the kapha dosha is the reason. Swad amla lavana snigdha gurvabhishyandi sheetalaihi asya swapna sukha jirna diva swapnadi ati brahmanaihi prachardhanadya yogena bhukta matra vasantayo santatayoho पूर्वान्ने पूर्वरात्रे च श्लेष्मा द्वन्द्वं तु संकरात्. Shleshma is the cough. This is the result of our immune reaction. Ajirna, if something is not digested. See, the dust which is entering through our nose and going to the respiratory tract, lungs, if it not able to, the lungs if is not able to remove that from that place towards our digestive tract through various say blood vascular system like that, if it is not able to remove from there, then it forms phlegm, then it starts inflammatory reactions. It reacts in a very horrible way to show us that something wrong is happening. So there are various scientific studies done in various sample groups of patients about the cause and effect relationship of synthetic fabrics as well as the allergic reactions. Some people get urticarial rashes, some get allergic rhinitis, some get this reactions, itching reactions in the eyes, etc. They all are due to any one of these kind of allergens. So प्रतिरोगमिति क्रुद्धो रोगाधिष्ठानगामिनीः रसायनीः प्रपद्याशु दोषा देहे विकुर्वते. These diseases use this as their support. So allergens, here allergens, rogadhisthana gamini, rogadhisthana. Ayurveda considers these are the adhisthana of the roga. From this, kasa, putinasa, peenasa, atishleshma, these kind of health issues come. So, if there is one more information, this say if you ask, say all of those who use synthetic fabrics doesn't develop these kind of reactions. Yes, correct. Out of 100, maybe 50 people will develop, 50 may not develop. It is because this is associated with other health issues such as low immune power, indigestion, or prakriti, kapha prakriti, pitta prakriti, vata prakriti, like that. Those who are having this pitta dosha, pitta and kapha may have more reaction towards these allergens. So we cannot generalize all these, but those who have this allergic rhinitis, those who develop running nose, breathing difficulties in the night time or when you enter into the bedroom or in your home, then definitely this may be one of the reason, and you can get rid of this by using cotton fabrics. That's all for today. Thank you.